Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable Snapchat's picture-in-picture mode. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. Then you want to select the Apps tile, and then select where it says See All Apps near the top, and then scroll down to Snapchat and select it. And where it says picture in picture underneath advanced, go ahead and select that entry in there and then toggle allow picture in picture mode to the off position, should be grayed out. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.